Laura Compton, and I am an 8th grade integrated science teacher. In this day and age, games are important to kids. As teachers, we need to incorporate things into our teaching that come with those 21st century skills that our students come with. I was really excited about the prospect of working with playing with data.
Well-designed games have the potential to be very strong learning environments. So we know that teachers are using games, but we don't know much about how teachers are actually making use of gameplay to inform instruction. Since the beginning of the study, we've gone through several rounds of redesign on the dashboard based on interviews with a number of teachers and classroom pilot studies. Based on those formative interviews, we've made 3 key changes to the dashboard. The first is we changed the language so that it reflects skills as opposed to game events. The second is we added functionality so that teachers could drill down to see student performance over time related to skills in gameplay. And the third is we learned from teachers that they wanted more help using that data to differentiate instruction, which led us to the creation of a report helper.
One of the challenges I face when using data is just making sure that the data is relevant. So the first and foremost thing is, what's your lesson? What do you want your students to know? And from there, you can use the dashboard to find the information that you are going to use then to customize, to differentiate the lessons that you are going to deliver to the students.
We created the report helper to help teachers use gameplay data for formative assessment. There are 3 steps that the teacher goes through when she uses the report helper. Step 1 is designed to help teachers familiarize themselves with how skills get played in the game. Step 2 provides teachers with more information about each of the reports that they can look at and helps them make some preliminary judgments about where students might be struggling or advancing with using a skill in the game. Finally, step 3 is designed to help teachers plan to differentiate instruction based on their read of the data in the dashboard. In the upcoming impact study, we're pretty excited to see whether teachers' use of the revised dashboard, the report helper, and other materials we've created helps them use gameplay data for formative assessment and differentiating instruction, and whether that helps students improve their skills in argumentation.
The more I can look at the dashboard and see how individual students, individual classes are doing, I can then create lessons that really will suit their needs.